Welcome to Road Misfit 187. Make sure to check out the links below and subscribe. Hey guys, it's Kyle here from Road Misfit 187. I love bringing you guys new products. Check out this new product by Etenwolf. It's called their S1 Tire Inflator. Etenwolf takes care of me, lets me try out many of their brand new products. This one here includes not only the pump, manual, a little bag, air hose, Presto valve, air chuck, and a inflation needle for like a basketball or soccer ball. This S1 tire pump is actually 2 times faster than their previous version. This one has a 7800 milliamp battery, so it should be enough to do up to 16 tires to air them up. It's nice that it's portable. Oh, look here, even comes with a 24-month warranty, which that's great. Not too many products do that anymore. Also, it has a digital display. You can just type in like what amount of air pressure you want it at. You could set it at, say, 25 psi. You just hit start and it goes up to 25 and turns off. Here it even has a little manual with it. Actually, quite a few pages to it. Also, you can use as a power bank. Obviously, the 7800 milliamp battery would be enough to charge up your phone. Has a built-in LED light, that kind of stuff. Includes a charging cable. All the adapters here you need for a bike or quickly attaching to your car. Here's a little pouch comes with. Nice, you can put it back in this pouch, leave it in the back of your car, leave it in the trunk, and it'll stay fully charged. So, if there's an emergency on the side of the road and you need to air up your tire. Convenience. I like to take this kind of things like this. I go on vacation, because you never know when you put some air in your tire. I just love the convenience of it. You don't have to sit there and plug it in, have, a 20-foot cord running to your cigarette lighter, that kind of thing, getting it all tangled up. Simple, easy, portable. It's so easy, even your kids can use it for bicycles. I'll show you here in a minute. I'll air up a bicycle tire for you. Also, it's great for, like I said, basketball, soccer ball. There's all kinds of uses. You put air in your tractor tire. You always need something like this around the house. Look, there's the LED light on top in case you have to put air in your tire on the side of the road. There's even like a flashing emergency light. Looks like an SOS mode. A couple of different modes there. It's also nice. It's got some presets here. You can set the first one to any tire pressure that you like. There's a setting there for bike. Automatically sets to 22 psi. I'll show you that here in just a minute. There's a setting for cars. I think it's preset to 35 psi. 8.5 there. That's the preset for the like a basketball or a soccer ball. So you can click the preset, say soccer ball, and just hit go. And when it gets to 8.5 psi, it'll just stop charging or stop inflating the ball. There's the air chuck. Makes it quick and easy to just clamp it on your bike tire or even on like your car tire. Just slide it over, pull the lever down, locks in place. It'll inflate up to 160 psi. That's incredible. Here in a minute, we'll go inside and we'll test it out. But there you get to hear like what the actual sound or the volume of it is. I give it a thumbs up so far. And we'll go inside and test it out. Here's other products I have of theirs. This is just one, plugs into an air hose. They sent me a second one. I want to make an offer to any of my subscribers. Leave a comment below and you'll have a chance to win this. But anyways, let's go try this out. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do this on this awesome bike here. How easy this is, and your kids can do this themselves. You don't have to be home and actually help them. Use that little quick air chuck, attach it to the bike tire, turn on the display. Hopefully you guys can see the display right now. It's that easy. It only takes a few seconds, airs up the tire, turns itself off, thumbs up, go onto the back tire. Here you'll see how quick and fast it is. It's going from 15 psi all the way to 22 psi in a short of time. I feel bad that you guys can't easily see the display, but myself personally, I was able to read the display perfectly out there. I guess it's just not showing up because of the sun. Or the camera's just not picking it up. Well, looks like the bike's ready to ride onto the car tire. Had that set at 35 psi. Got that aired up. Very simple to use. Buttons are easy right here on the front. There's a positive and minus on the top. You can adjust it up to say whatever, up to 160 psi if you wanted to. Power button, the one towards the bottom, the flashlight. Then the very, very bottom button is the settings, which goes through the presets of your custom setting, like the car, the bike tire, or even the ball. Once again, I just want to say thanks to Etenwolf. Like I said, I'll be giving away one for free. Leave a comment below. Your chance to win. Thanks, guys.